Hello, Harrison here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems your WhatsApp on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, go up to the search bar, search WhatsApp, Wise, and maybe you just need to update the app. After updating the app, there shouldn't be any issues, but if you still got, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is go up to the apps, see all, find your Wise, permissions, and just allow them all like here. Go up to the Wi-Fi data usage, unrestricted mobile data usage on. After this should be everything cool, but if you still got some issues, I'm gonna show last way. So last way, go up to the Play Store, uninstall the app, uninstall, and just reinstall the app. If the video is helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.